I have a Cub Cadet LT 1045, model #13AX11CH756. I recently experienced a blown spindle on the left-hand side of the deck. The unit fell apart while engaged. I replaced the spindle, reinstalled the belt and deck. Unfortunately, the blades will not turn as the belt is not turning the deck pulleys. The drive pulley under the engine is turning, however the belt is either not tight enough to grab the drive pulley or there is something wrong with one of the deck pulleys. Is it possible that the belt is now too loose? It might have been stretched when the spindle blew. My other theory is that the idler pulley is misaligned or too close to the neighboring idler pulley. I will post a photo if I can figure out how.
Hey there, I'm Richard G. Let me help you. Can you rotate each pulley on the deck belt system and they are easily rotated? Can you see the front clutch pulley spinning? Can you hear the PTO clutch engage? Can you rotate the pulleys on the deck and they spin freely? Thanks.
I feel that each pulley can be rotated fairly easily. The front clutch pulley, if that is the one under the engine, is spinning. I do not hear the PTO clutch engage, but then again, I never hear it engage. Here are a few pictures of the idler pulleys.
That belt isn't any good at all. Replace that belt and we will go from there. Way too much slack as well. The belt is badly worn and damaged. If we need to discuss this further, please reply back here. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.